AI is transforming industry right now, but choosing the right platform can make all the difference. Should you go with Raspberry Pi or Nvidia Jetson? Let's break it down. Raspberry Pi is a compact and cost-effective computer widely utilized in applications ranging from home automation to industrial projects. Add an AI head to your Raspberry Pi and you will unlock even more potential. With an AI head like the Coral Accelerator or Groove AI, the Pi becomes capable of running AI models directly on the edge. This makes it a viable option for tasks like detecting defects or assembly line or performing predictive maintenance. All of this keeping costs low. So what about Nvidia Jetson? So Nvidia Jetson is purpose-built for AI in industries. With powerful GPU acceleration, it's ideal for automate quality checks and real-time AI tasks like predictive maintenance or defect detection. When it comes to AI, let's compare performance. Raspberry Pi with AI head and Nvidia Jetson original. So, which one's right for you? If you are looking for a cost-effective way to integrate AI into IoT and basic automation, go with the Raspberry Pi and AI head. But for advanced AI workloads or complex real-time processing, the Nvidia Jetson Original is unbeatable. So which one you will choose? Let us know in the comments.